Love your Amex card? You can earn bonus points by sharing it with friends. The Refer a Friend program is a win-win, if you follow the rules. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your online account and find the Refer a Friend page. You'll get a unique referral link to share via email, text, or social media. When a friend uses your link, is approved, and meets the card spend requirement, e.g., $2,000 in 3 months, you'll earn a bonus, often 15,000 to 30,000 points. Your friend also usually gets a boosted welcome offer compared to applying publicly. My crucial pro tip: only refer people you know will be approved. Amex has a once-per-lifetime rule on welcome bonuses. If your friend applies, gets denied, and later applies successfully on their own, they may forfeit their bonus. Give them honest advice about their credit profile first. Share the love and earn serious points in the process. What's the biggest referral bonus you've ever earned from any card? For more guides on earning extra rewards, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.